Modern battlefields are not silent. They are filled with signals, mechanical noise, vibrations, and acoustic signatures. What if machines could listen and understand the battlefield? At Cochl, we are building the next-generation acoustic intelligence for modern defense systems. We enable operators and systems to detect, interpret, and act on critical acoustic signals in real time. Across land, air, and sea, Cochl brings listening intelligence to critical environments. For base and perimeter security, acoustic signals provide early warning of armed threats, drones, and suspicious activity. Integrating seamlessly with existing ISR infrastructure, it can significantly reduce false alarms. For maintenance and MRO, acoustic and vibration signals reveal early signs of mechanical failure. This enables condition-based maintenance, reduces unplanned downtime, and lowers fault rates in production. For underwater surveillance, sound is everything. Acoustic signals enable detection, classification, and tracking of underwater threats, supporting advanced sonar systems and stealth naval operations. Where vision ends, sound begins. Cochl, creating ears for AI.